Have you ever wondered that why haven't yet the vaccination or a proper medicine have been developed to cure this virus? We are going to talk about the three ways to kill coronavirus. This is Ali Shaheen and you are watching my take on the three ways to kill on coronavirus. Do subscribe to my channel for no more latest upcoming videos. So we are going to discuss what are the three measures basically we can take to avoid and prevent us and our loved ones from happening in from getting coronavirus. There are basically no such medicines available in the market, and it's all a hoax and and a kind of a rumor. If you are getting somewhere that there is some kind of medicine available in the market. So we are going to discuss three basic steps which all the doctors and all the healthcare personnel around the globe are sharing with each other. The first one is to boost your immunity. Well, how to boost your immunity, we all know, we can search it on internet. So when your immune system is in strong, basically your immune system is the first line of defense which fights with the infection which can occur in your body. So a strong immune system would definitely is the major you can say fighter in your body available, and it's the first line of defense and it's the last line of defense actually to fight this virus in your body. So to boost your immune system, basically there are several ways. First of all, you can change your eating habits. You can have multiple vegetables, bright color vegetables and green vegetables, like being shown in these pictures right now. And you can take them in your diet on a regular basis. Start taking them in your diet on a regular basis so that your immune system gets strong. These bright colored vegetables and fruits includes antioxidants which help your immune system to power up and keep on fighting the bad bacteria and germs in your body. S- Avoid being getting dehydrated, even though obviously dehydration is also bad for any other in any kind of in any kind, but dehydration in terms when your immune system needs to be very active and performing well against these viruses is not going to be a good thing. So get yourself hydrated, drink water as much as you can, and you can boost up your immunity with that. Have some minerals in your body which are definitely minerals like calcium, like fluoride and magnesium, phosphorus. There are multiple organic and inorganic resources available through which you can boost these kind of minerals in your body. There's this good article on healthline.com which gives you a complete detail of 15 foods which help you get a good immune system, like citrus food, like again the bright colored vegetable, broccoli and garlic and ginger, spinach, yogurt, almonds, nuts and all of this. So green vegetables and some herbs like turmeric and green tea and papaya kind of fruits and kiwi fruits, they basically help you get your immune system much stronger and help you fight any kind of viruses in your body. So also one more thing is this, that what you have to avoid to which avoid food which can weaken your immune system are basically animal based proteins. So they can somewhat harm you and your immune system in some manners, like if they aren't being cooked well or they are in not in their fresh state. So try avoiding those animal based protein and go for plant origin proteins from like lentils or cheese or milk or like that. So that will help you get good immune system for that. The second step, which basically the second way in which through which you can kill the coronavirus, is basically through self quarantining and self isolation. So what is self quarantine, self isolation? Basically these two terms are actually the same. If you see, they have basically the root meaning of both these terms are same, the self isolation and self quarantine. So avoid socializing as much as possible. Try to, if you are socializing and it's an important part of your daily life that you have to be between some people, and you have to work or you have to go to some places for that, then start developing some social distancing between you and the other people, so that you can avoid getting infected from these viruses through any other who is either infected or not. So the thing is this, that many people say that everyone is looking healthy and all of this. Many times this virus doesn't show any kind of symptoms in the body, and it's living in there, so it's not doing anything to that body. It can jump to another body through on which it can have some serious impacts and effects, and it can destroy its immunity system. The third thing which is really important and which is related to this, the fact related to the factor of social and distancing, is mediating. Well, as for the many people and religious people in different part of the world, mediating is related towards their relationship and getting indulged into developing some good relationship with their creator. But definitely mediating is not just all that about. Mediating is all about being in focused, and to mediate, and you need to relax for, and it really helps you get your immunity to a stronger level. So try to mediate yourself, try to, whatever way you are interested in, try to mediate in that way, and it will really help you rebuild your immune system, or strong, even make your immune system much stronger than the previous state. So also one more thing which you have to take care of is basically to not go mentally retarded while being self isolating yourself or socially quarantining yourself, because that's really what the new thing is coming up right now in the world, is this, that people who are self isolating themselves or being self quarantined are going through some very stressful and depression kind of mental health status, in which they are not very good in terms of their mental health. So one thing more, that mediating will definitely help you not only just stronger make your immune system strong, but it will also help you uh, may it will also help the good in very good manner to your mental health. So I think that's all for now. Keep doing all these things, and through this you can definitely kill the coronavirus and get rid of it, or at least get yourself prevented from getting affected from this. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.